In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust the tax settings in your Big Cartel account to better suit your business needs. Whether you're managing sales for a small shop or a bustling enterprise, customizing how you handle taxes is an essential step in ensuring everything runs smoothly. Let's dive in so you can get this set up in no time. First, let's start by heading over to the Big Cartel dashboard. Once you're there, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you haven't already. This will make navigation much easier down the line. Now, at the top of the page, you'll see an option labeled Account. Go ahead and click on that. The Account section is where you'll find all the main settings and preferences for your store. It's essentially Command Central. As you scroll through the Account section, keep an eye out for the Taxes option. This is what we're going to be focusing on today. Finding this subsection is crucial, so take your time. You'll need to scroll down a bit to locate it. When you found the Taxes section, it's time to click on Edit Taxes. This is where you'll have the chance to adjust your settings according to your specific requirements. Now take a look at your current setup. By default, you might notice that Automatic is enabled, meaning that Big Cartel automatically applies tax rates based on factors like the customer's location. However, if you're looking to take a more hands-on approach, you might prefer to set the tax rates manually. To make this change, you'll want to click on Add a Tax Rate. Doing this allows you to input specific tax rates that align with the needs of your business. You'll start by selecting the country where the tax will be applied. Once that's taken care of, decide on the percentage that you'd like to implement. Next, you'll have another important decision to make. Do you want the tax to apply to both products and shipping, or just to products? This choice will depend on how your business operates and your customer base's expectations. Think carefully and choose the option that fits best with your sales model. Once you've made all your selections, look towards the bottom of the page for the Save button. Clicking this will finalize your settings, and that's it. You've successfully set up manual tax rates for your Big Cartel account. By taking these steps, you've gained more control over an important aspect of your store's operations. Now your store is set to charge the appropriate taxes, helping ensure compliance and accuracy with each sale. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide was helpful.